If you've ever struggled with unwanted background noise creeping into your audio, maybe it's the faint hum of your computer fan, keyboard clicks, or distant voices, then today's guide is just for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a noise gate audio filter to your microphone in OBS Studio. This simple tweak will help make your voice recording or live stream sound cleaner and far more professional. Let's dive right in. First, open up OBS Studio and take a look at the main interface. Your focus should go straight to the audio mixer panel, usually found at the bottom or the right sidebar, depending on your layout. This is where OBS displays all your live audio sources. If you have multiple sources, don't worry. We're only interested in your microphone channel, which might be labeled something like mic aux, or with the specific name of your microphone model. Now, within the audio mixer, find your mic input and look for the small cogwheel icon right next to the volume slider. Clicking this cog brings up the Properties menu, and from here, select Filters. This might seem like a small step, but getting into this menu is crucial. You'll find all the powerful audio tools that OBS offers in this section. A window titled Filters for Your Microphone Name should appear. In the bottom left corner, there's a plus icon. Plus, this is where the magic starts. Clicking it opens up a menu with a list of audio effects. Choose Noise Gate and add it to your mic. If you want, you can personalize the filter's name. Something like Main Noise Gate helps if you're organizing multiple filters later. Now, the heart of this process is configuring your noise gate settings. OBS provides some default values, but fine-tuning them will get you the best results for your unique environment. The most important settings are the close threshold and the open threshold. Imagine the noise gate like a bouncer for your microphone. The close threshold is how much quiet background noise you allow before the bouncer closes the door and stops the mic from picking up sound. You'll want to set this just above the noise level in your room when you're not speaking. Then, the open threshold is the level where your voice is strong enough to open the gate. It should be a bit below your usual speaking volume. Don't worry if these numbers feel technical. Try speaking normally to see where your voice sits on the audio meter and set your thresholds accordingly. You'll also see attack time, which is how fast the gate opens when you start speaking. Just a few milliseconds are usually enough so the beginning of your words aren't lost. Hold time determines how long the gate stays open after you stop talking. Setting this to a few hundred milliseconds helps capture the ends of sentences so the gate doesn't slam shut too quickly. Lastly, release time controls how quickly the gate closes once the sound drops below your threshold. A gentle release makes your audio sound more natural. Think of it as the gate slowly swinging closed instead of slamming shut the moment you pause. Before wrapping up, it's essential to test these settings. Talk into your microphone and watch the audio meter in OBS. You should see the meter drop to the bottom when you're silent, meaning the gate's working, and smoothly bounce back when you speak. If it's chopping off words or letting through background noise, keep tweaking until it feels just right. This part can take a few moments, so be patient. Getting a clean sound is absolutely worth it. Once you're happy with how everything sounds, click Close to exit the filter window. Your noise gate is now active, keeping your mic input crisp and cutting down those unwanted noises from here on out. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped clean up your audio, don't forget to drop a like below and share your questions or audio setup tips in the comments. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming!